The moon has been humanity's celestial companion for millennia, inspiring myths, scientific discoveries, and even ambitious space exploration missions. But one side of the moon, the far side, or as it's often called, the dark side, has remained hidden from our direct view for most of human history. Why is it that we can never see this part of the moon from Earth? And more importantly, what secrets could be concealed there? This documentary will explore the various theories, conspiracies, and scientific facts surrounding the dark side of the moon. Could it be home to hidden alien structures, secret military bases, or is it simply a barren wasteland? The truth may be far stranger than fiction. The science behind the dark side. Contrary to popular belief, the dark side of the moon is not actually shrouded in eternal darkness. The reason we never see it is due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. The moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits Earth, meaning that one hemisphere always faces us, while the other remains hidden. It wasn't until 1959, when the Soviet Luna 3 probe captured the first images of the moon's far side, that we got our first glimpse of this mysterious region. Unlike the near side, which has large dark basaltic plains called maria, the far side is heavily cratered and lacks these smooth plains. This raised an important question. Why is the far side so different? One hypothesis suggests that Earth's gravitational influence affected the way lava flowed on the moon billions of years ago, preventing large maria from forming on the far side. Another theory posits that a massive impact in the moon's early history altered its internal composition, creating the stark differences we see today. Conspiracy theories and speculations. For decades, theorists have speculated that the far side of the moon might be hiding something extraordinary. Some of the most famous conspiracy theories include alien bases. UFO enthusiasts claim that the dark side is home to extraterrestrial civilizations or outposts. Alleged whistleblowers, including former military personnel, have suggested that governments have known about these structures for years, but kept them secret. Secret military installations. During the Cold War, both the US and the Soviet Union explored the possibility of using the moon as a strategic military base. Some believe that secret operations have already been conducted there. Ancient ruins. Some claim that images of the moon's far side reveal unnatural formations resembling ancient structures, suggesting the possibility of a lost extraterrestrial civilization. Mysterious radio signals. The far side of the moon is shielded from Earth's radio interference, making it an ideal location for radio telescopes. However, some claim that unexplained radio signals have been detected from this region, hinting at an unknown intelligence at work. NASA's missions and the silence. Around the far side, NASA has conducted multiple missions to explore the moon, including the famous Apollo landings. However, no manned mission has ever landed on the far side. Why? While NASA officially attributes this to logistical challenges, such as the need for constant communication with mission control, some believe there is another reason. What they found there was too shocking to reveal to the public. China became the first nation to land a probe, Chang'e 4, on the moon's far side in 2019, revealing never-before-seen details. But did they find something they aren't sharing? NASA's Artemis program and upcoming private lunar missions may finally shed light on these mysteries. Will they confirm long-held suspicions, or will they debunk the myths once and for all? Theories about strange lunar anomalies. There are countless reports of unexplained anomalies on the moon. Some of the most intriguing include strange lights. Astronomers have observed mysterious flashes of light on the moon's surface, some appearing to move intelligently. Unusual shadows. Some images from space agencies show bizarre structures casting shadows that do not align with natural formations. the moon as an artificial object. A fringe theory suggests that the moon is actually an artificial construct, possibly placed in Earth's orbit by an advanced civilization. Unexplained magnetic fields. Parts of the moon exhibit unexpected magnetic properties, leading some to speculate about hidden structures beneath the surface. What lies beneath? Could there be hidden caverns, underground bases, or natural tunnels on the dark side of the moon? Some scientists believe that massive lava tubes, formed billions of years ago, could exist beneath the surface, potentially large enough to house human colonies, or something else. These vast subterranean structures might provide the perfect refuge from the moon's harsh environment, offering protection from radiation, micrometeorites, and extreme temperature fluctuations. Recent radar scans from lunar orbiters have detected subsurface voids that could be ancient tunnels or hidden chambers. If extraterrestrial activity was ever present on the moon, these underground structures might be where they resided, concealed from prying human eyes. The idea that such bases could exist has fueled speculation for decades, with some even suggesting that early Apollo missions detected anomalies but kept the information classified. Additionally, the possibility of ice deposits in permanently shadowed craters suggests that water resources may exist below the surface, raising questions about potential past or future life-supporting conditions. Water ice could be a crucial factor in sustaining future lunar colonies, providing not only drinking water, but also oxygen for breathable air and hydrogen for fuel. The presence of these resources strengthens the argument that the moon, particularly its shadowy and less explored regions, may harbor secrets we are only beginning to uncover. Some theories propose that seismic activity or magnetic anomalies detected on the moon could be linked to unknown subterranean phenomena. Could there be artificial structures beneath the surface, or do these anomalies have a more natural explanation? Until future missions delve deeper into the moon's underground world, these questions will remain unanswered. The latest research and future missions. With advancements in technology, space agencies are now taking a closer look at the dark side of the moon. The Chinese Chang'e 4 mission provided critical data, showing a complex geological history. Their rover, U-22, detected unusual materials, hinting at a more diverse composition than previously thought. The discovery of a gel-like substance with unique properties raised even more questions, prompting further investigation into the moon's composition and history. NASA's Artemis program aims to send astronauts back to the moon, with the possibility of exploring regions never visited before. Artemis will not only focus on surface exploration, but will also look deeper into the moon's underground structures using advanced scanning technology. If evidence of hidden tunnels or ancient activity is found, it could revolutionize our understanding of the moon's past and its potential for future habitation. Additionally, private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have proposed missions that could further investigate the moon's mysteries. With commercial space travel advancing rapidly, it is only a matter of time before new discoveries challenge our current perceptions of the moon and its hidden depths. The Lunar Gateway and its role. The upcoming Lunar Gateway, a space station planned for orbit around the moon, could serve as a hub for deeper space exploration and provide further opportunities to study the far side. It will allow extended missions and possibly even a permanent human presence on the moon. Scientists anticipate that the Lunar Gateway will facilitate longer-duration studies of the moon's surface, its subsurface environment, and its potential as a stepping stone for Mars exploration. The moon and the future of space colonization. With the possibility of lunar bases, the moon might soon become humanity's first step toward colonizing space. Could the dark side hold the key to establishing a sustainable presence beyond Earth? Some scientists suggest that it could serve as a launch pad for deeper space exploration. If underground structures provide natural shielding and ice deposits offer essential resources, the moon could become a crucial staging ground for interplanetary missions. Some speculate that artificial structures or evidence of past activity could be uncovered in the process. If any trace of intelligent life is found, it would be the most groundbreaking discovery in human history. Even without extraterrestrial involvement, the moon's hidden resources and strategic position make it an essential location for the next phase of space exploration. The final frontier. What awaits us? With more missions on the horizon, we may soon uncover definitive answers about the dark side of the moon. Will the discoveries confirm long-standing suspicions, or will they introduce new mysteries? The more we explore, the more questions seem to arise, deepening the enigma surrounding our closest celestial neighbor. Whether the dark side of the moon holds ancient secrets, extraterrestrial technology, or simply a different geological history, one thing is clear. It is one of the most enigmatic places in our solar system. As technology advances and space exploration continues, we may finally uncover the truth. Until then, we can only wonder, what are they hiding on the dark side of the moon?